Hi, it's Eric and welcome to our video conversation this week. It's been a pretty busy week. I started off on Saturday with the Polar Plunge, jumping through a hole in the ice in Lake Riley, helping raise money for a great cause, the Special Olympics. It's also high school basketball season, so we got the tournaments going on, which are fun to watch. In Washington, we had our annual hot dish competition among members of the Minnesota Congressional Delegation. Check out my Facebook page and you'll see the video of me preparing my hot dish in fast motion. We're going to get into our questions, though. I had a lot that were sent in this week. The first comes from V in Bloomington. And she says, Dear Congressman Paulsen, I'm enrolled in Medicare Advantage in a Medicare Advantage plan. Please, we cannot afford more cuts to Medicare Advantage. My husband and I are both senior citizens feeling the squeeze financially. Our cost of living goes up every year. My husband and I have very expensive prescriptions. We need Medicare Advantage. Our Social Security increase was appreciated, but not enough to cover the cost of living. Thank you. Well, you know what, V, you're absolutely right. Seniors are facing more cuts in Medicare Advantage, hundreds of billions of dollars. I oppose those cuts. Some of our seniors in my district, 50,000 seniors use Medicare Advantage. That's nearly half of all Medicare eligible seniors. That means almost a $900 increase in cost for them. It's fewer choices, it's more out-of-pocket costs, and it's less flexibility in you being able to choose your physician and the provider you'd like to see. I want to make sure that we preserve those options for seniors. This week, I actually testified in the House Energy and Commerce Committee, not only against the proposed cuts, but on a legislative initiative that I have that will give seniors more options to prepare for the future. We also had a question come in from Ian in Eden Prairie, and Ian emailed in. He says, Dear Congressman Paulsen, I wanted to update you about the progress of the first robotics competition team at Eden Prairie High School. This weekend, the students captured the championship at the Northern Lights Regional Tournament in Duluth. The students won the Creativity Award for their custom-designed drive mechanism robot, the only one of its kind. We then captured first place in the team competition by knocking off several other programs. The team will now move on to the world competition in St. Louis, Missouri in April. First of all, Ian, congratulations to you and your team and best of luck in the competition ahead. It's great to know that you are providing these students with the opportunity to prepare for the future workforce, training in science and technology, engineering, and math. I'm actually also hosting my own STEM competition, a congressional STEM competition where we're going to be judging mobile apps. So if you're a student or you know a student who would like to have their mobile app judged, to create a mobile app, go to my website to get more information, paulsen.house.gov, or call my office for more information as well at 952-405-8510. Thanks to everyone who submitted their questions this week. Have a great weekend and a great week, and we'll stay in touch.